Hey guys, what's up? So today I'll be showing you guys how I do my deep conditioning and also how I get my curls defined for my 4C hair. Okay, so this is my deep conditioner mix that I use. I will do a separate video another day to show exactly what I use. It's mostly just hair mayonnaise and coconut oil. So what I'll be using is my apple cider vinegar, my deep conditioner mix, and also a spray bottle with water. And I'm doing this with my hair separated in 4, which makes it a lot easier. So first I'm gonna detangle my hair just to get rid of any knots. And I'm gonna use my finger to rub the apple cider vinegar on my scalp after I spray it in, just to get my scalp clean for the deep conditioning. Okay, so rub that in. So now I'm just gonna shake my mixture up, and I'm gonna be using my fingers to apply my deep conditioner mix. So I'm just finger parting my hair and just look at how I apply my deep conditioner. And the reason why I deep conditioned my hair first before trying to define my curls was because I wanted it to be extra clean, and also I wanted my hair to be soft, because I've tried defining my curls before and it came out as an epic fail. So hopefully it comes out great this time. So yeah, this is how my hair looks when I'm fully conditioned. So now I'm gonna put my plastic cap on, which I'm gonna leave on for about 30 minutes. So let's wait and boogie down in the meantime. Don't mind my Snapchat pic. Okay, so 30 minutes later, this is what my hair looks like. It is extremely soft and it feels so clean. So after I've rinsed all that out, I'm now gonna separate my hair in 4 again so that I can begin my curl definition. So I'll be using my curl enhancing smoothie and my eco styling Krystal gel. I've tried the olive oil gel on my hair before to get this style done, but it didn't work. So I tried the Krystal gel because it's maximum hold, and to be honest, it worked wonders. So if you're hard at getting curls, I would recommend that you try that one. So yeah, I'm spraying my hair just to keep it moist, and I'm applying my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and after which I just use my fingers to apply the Eco Styling Gel. So this is the back of my head, and as you can see, the curls are popping. Alright, so let me just show you again with the front of my head how I get this done. So just watch. And believe me, when I say that I'm extremely proud that this came out like defined, because I've tried this so many times, it all came out as an epic fail, because knowing 4C hair, it's actually pretty hard to get curls in. So I'm glad that this worked for me. So I just hope it works as good as it did for me for you. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply my curl enhancing smoothie and my gel and define my curls. There we go. So after all that application, I'm just gonna do a big shake, which will separate my curls. So don't mind the white residue, it's just that because it's wet and all the products are still in, it will get clear after it's dried. So as you can see, my curls are defined. Oh my god, I'm happy. So yeah, if you have 4C hair like mine, which you're giving up hope that you can get curly hair, like just try this method and I'm pretty sure it will work for you. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about this style. So there we go after I did a little bit of diffusion with my blow dryer, which I didn't record. I'm so sorry. But as you can see, the curls are still popping and I believe it's gonna get a lot more curlier once it's dried. So thank you guys for watching and I hope this is helpful, and you can always comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Bye.